Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about Bittensor and the native token TAO. If you guys like the content, don't forget to subscribe. It helps me a lot in YouTube algorithm. Give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment into the comments section down below. Also, before starting, I must say that I'm not a financial advisor and everyone should do their own research before investing into something that is very important. Okay, so let's get started. What is Bittensor? Bittensor, it's an open source protocol that powers a decentralized blockchain-based machine learning network. Machine learning models train collaboratively and are rewarded in TAO according to the informational value they offer to the collective. TAO also grants external access, allowing users to extract information from the network while turning its activities to their needs. Ultimately, their vision is to create a pure market for artificial intelligence, an incentivized area in which consumers and producers of this valuable commodity can interact in a trustless, open, and transparent context. Bittensor enables, first, a novel optimized strategy for the development and distribution of artificial intelligence technology by leveraging the possibilities of a distributed ledger. Specifically, it is facilitation of open access and ownership, decentralized governance, and the ability to harness globally distributed resources of computing power and innovation within an incentivized framework. Second, an open source repository of machine intelligence accessible to anyone, anywhere, thus creating the conditions for open and permissionless innovation on a global internet scale. And third, distribution of rewards and network ownership to users in direct proportion to the value they have added. Okay, enough of this. Let's talk a little about this token. And today, 27 February 2024, a token, it is valued at about 605.65 US dollars. Also, it has a market cap at over 3.82 billion US dollars and a volume in the last 24 hours over 26.6 million dollars. We have a total supply of TAO tokens that it's equal to the circulating supply at 6,320,291 TAO tokens and a maximum supply of 21 million TAO tokens, identical to the maximum supply of Bitcoin that will exist ever. And also we had an all-time high very recently, 11 days ago, in 16 February to be more precise, at $698.62. Let's look a little on the chart, and we have on TradingView TAO paired with USDT with Tether at spot at 1 day, and the chart it's from Bidget. As you can see, we have high volatility of price, and we can have some measurements. Let's see, from this bottom to the top, it is about 755% in 55 days. That's huge. And also we have a decrease from this top to this bottom at about minus 50% in about 26 days. And the last increase in price from this wick to the top to the maximum high in 16 February, 258% in 39 days. That is huge. These are massive increases and decreases in price. We have high volatility, and recent we had an all-time high, as I spoke earlier. And on daily also I put some supports and a resistance. The only resistance that I put, it was the last all-time high at $698.62, and as support we took more recently this one, $596. You see that here the price bounce on this level. If this one also fails, we will go most likely at another levels. I believe that first it will be around $450, and after that $420 before going to this green one at $362. I just drawn the major support that I believe to be. Okay, let's look also on some simple moving averages. I prepared the 20 SMA and 10 SMA. As you can see here, if we look very closely, for now we have a major support, the 10 simple moving average on daily, and as you can see here, after 16 January 2024 we took as support the 10 SMA, this bluish line that we saw here. You can see that the price bounced here in 4 and 5 February. The price also took support on 8 February here. You can see this candle that it is in this line, and after that it seems like we crossed downwards and we took as resistance. You see here this wick that it's formed on daily. It has as resistance the 10 SMA. Also this yellow band, the 20 SMA, we had in the past as support more closely to 10 SMA, but for now it seems that on daily this candle it is trying to cross over and take it as support. We will see if that will happen. Also I want to show you something very interesting on 100 SMA. The 100 SMA, it seems that we had as nearly as support here in 8 January this year. Those wicks tend to get closer and closer to this line, and after that the price will distance to this 100 SMA, but I believe that it is a major support if the price falls and crosses those supports that I drawn earlier. You can see here that for now this 100 SMA, it is at $358. It is closely to this support that I drawn at $362. You can see here, right? Okay, let's look at another indicator, and for that I choose the Bollinger Bands. And on Bollinger Bands I didn't modify the settings. We have as the middle moving average this the 20 simple moving average, and for now it is on daily, and we discussed about this earlier, but we can look at the volatility of the price. It seems that where here the volatility in 22 January 2024 and 23 January 2024, when the volatility was lower, the price exploded, and we're still above this 20 SMA, the middle band, but after that the price even exceeded this higher level of the Bollinger Band, and for now we are on crossing this middle 20 SMA as I discussed previously. So it seems that from the middle of this month we are in a small bearish trend, but we will see what will happen. More recently the Bitcoin price crossed the 54k, and that is a big encouragement for many, and I believe that many altcoins will increase in price, and also this one. It seems that it is very sensitive in the market price movement. Okay, let's look also on weekly, and in 1 week we see that for now the price it is very bullish. You see those big green candles with big bodies that we had at the end of last year, and also since beginning of this year we had these green bars that represents, everyone represents 1 week. So we had 1 2 3 4 5 6 weeks of price increasing. So if we look at, for example, 1 month, we see here very clearly that this token, it is in a bullish movement. More exactly at 6 months, you can see that we have only a red candle that was started since 1st January 2023 to the middle of 2023, and since the middle of 2023, since July and the end of the year, the price was increased at plus 424%, and since the beginning of January 2024 we have an increase of plus 125%. So the price for now, it is very bullish on this token. Okay, what do you think about TAO? Do you have in your portfolio? Do you believe in it? I wait for your comments into the comment section down below. Thank you guys for being here with me once again, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It helps me a lot in YouTube algorithm and encourages me to make more videos. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Take care.